Pew pew.
Now as I put a pipe, a little wedge, who knows? Okay, so one more. Would be okay, we're on to sign number 3. As I said before, I'm trying a different approach. I want to get away from this. It's a pain in the ass. It's fine if you're doing really big things, but the little stuff is a pain in the ass. So, got the machine set up. We've got our varnish on. Yes, my robot bit me. This little bastard right here. They're sharp. Alright, I guess we're, you know what, I'm going to bring you in closer because we're just doing, actually let's go on the side here. We're doing 2 pieces here. We're going to do the pew pew decoration first, and then we're going to switch bits for the big letters. I am happy with that. And I'm surprised. It came out really well. I've changed out old Stabby here to a bigger V-bit, the 1/2" 90. Feels like it's getting dull. Maybe that's why it's chattering. Anyway, on to the letters. On this evening's menu, we have vintage black. I've wiped a little bit off. We're going to try brake cleaner. Had good luck with this in the past. Not bad. Don't get it in your eyes though. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some sanding down that end, but this that part worked out pretty good. So we gotta wait for the paint to dry after all. That's way easier than that blue stuff. I'm pretty sure that this will come out. I had to change vacuum cleaners. My other one busted. This one doesn't fit in the cabinet. Anyway, this I should be able to sand that out. Hopefully. Around the G. But I gotta wait for it to dry. There you go. That was way easier.
No way! Yes way!
I burned through the lacquer, but it was way easier than that other. Gotta vacuum that out too. And that blue stuff. Alright, we're gonna get this out and throw a couple more coats of polyurethane on it. Here's our end product. We got Gramps' garage, we got Papa's barn, and we've got Christopher's garage. Not too bad.